Having a car accident is an unfortunate event that can disrupt your life in many ways. One of the most pressing concerns following an accident is figuring out how to replace your vehicle, especially if it was deemed a total loss. In this article, we will explore the various aspects of obtaining an accident replacement vehicle, from understanding the claims process to knowing your rights and options, whether you are dealing with insurance claims, rental cars, or purchasing a new vehicle. We'll cover it all. When your vehicle is involved in an accident and the damage is so extensive that it cannot be repaired economically, it is classified as a total loss. In this scenario, your insurance company will typically assess the vehicle's actual cash value and offer you compensation based on that figure, minus your deductible. The first step after an accident is to file a claim with your insurance company. This involves providing details about the accident, including the police report and any other relevant documentation. An insurance adjuster will evaluate your vehicle to determine if it is a total loss. This assessment considers the cost of repairs relative to the vehicle's value. If your vehicle is deemed a total loss, the insurance company will provide you with a settlement based on its actual cash value. This amount can be used to purchase a new or used vehicle. While you are navigating the claims process and waiting for compensation, you may need a rental vehicle. Here are a few key points to consider. Check your auto insurance policy to see if it covers rental vehicles. If it does, your insurance provider can guide you on how to procure a rental car. Often, the quickest way to secure a rental vehicle is through your insurance company. They may have partnerships with rental agencies, which can simplify the process. Be aware that rental coverage may not last indefinitely. It typically covers the time you are without your vehicle, but check for specific terms in your policy. Once you receive your settlement, the next step is to decide on your replacement vehicle. Here are some considerations. Understand the amount you received from your insurance. This will help you set a realistic budget for your new vehicle. Decide whether you want to buy a new vehicle or a used one. Each option has its pros and cons. New cars often come with warranties and the latest technology, while used cars are typically more affordable and can offer great value. If you don't have enough funds from your settlement to purchase a vehicle outright, consider financing options. Many dealerships offer financing plans, and you can also explore loans from banks or credit unions. While the process of getting a replacement vehicle seems straightforward, there can be challenges along the way. Here are some common issues and how to address them. Sometimes policyholders disagree with the insurance company's assessment of their vehicle's value. If this happens, gather evidence such as similar vehicle listings to support your case and negotiate a fair settlement. If your insurance does not cover a rental car, or if there is an issue with availability, consider other rental options or peer-to-peer car sharing services. The claims process can be time-consuming, leading to delays in obtaining a replacement vehicle. Staying organized and following up regularly with your insurance agent can help expedite the process. It's essential to know your rights when dealing with accident replacement vehicles. Here are a few legal protections you might have. Many states have laws that protect consumers in the insurance claims process. Familiarize yourself with your state's regulations to ensure you are treated fairly. If you encounter issues with your insurance provider, you can file a complaint with your state's insurance commissioner or a consumer protection agency. Navigating the process of obtaining an accident replacement vehicle can be daunting, but by understanding your rights, the claims process, and your options, you can make informed decisions. Whether you're opting for a rental while waiting for your settlement or purchasing a new vehicle outright, being proactive and organized will facilitate a smoother transition. Remember, you're not alone in this process, and resources are available to help guide you through the journey. If you find yourself needing additional support or guidance, consider visiting reputable resources like CarHire.Claims for more information. Your next adventure on the road awaits.